In just a few hours here, St. Paul will start shutting down businesses, streets, parks, and trails.
And the city is preparing for possible flooding this weekend along the Mississippi River. CC's live on Water Street and Lilydale Avenue right now, an area that's being closed. CC.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, so if your commute takes you along Water Street, your commute will be impacted today because in just a few hours at 2 o'clock, Water Street will be closed to cars, bikes, and pedestrians as they close this area off because of potential flooding this weekend, and that's between Highway 13 and then Plato Boulevard. But take a look at this. There's already closure signs up right now because the water is already getting pretty high. If we take a look out here, the water is already at the step here, and if you look to the left here, the water is already coming up where you can't even go out on the lookout and look out at the Mississippi. Now, these temporary closures are part of the city's flood response plan. So right now, we just showed you the water, and the river level here in St. Paul is at 9.33 feet. But the National Weather Service says by Sunday, just a couple of days, the river could be at minor flood stage level of 14 feet. By Monday, that increases to moderate flood stage at 15 feet. The city will keep Water Street along with park areas and facilities closed until the flooding stops. Now, city leaders are asking you, of course, to follow the closure signs and not go into any areas where flooding is seen or try to explore those areas. To see a full list of businesses and parks and trails that are closed, head to our website. We have a full list there. Jason, Alicia.
All right, CC, we're all watching those levels very closely over the next few days. Thank you very much.